Look, building a great team is going to take you a ton of time. It's going to take a lot of work. It's going to take a lot of bad hires, some good hires, people that you thought would be with you forever, people who left you after a day. It's going to give you everything. And so if you want to build a great team, it's never going to come easy. It's never going to come simple. You're going to need to hire hundreds of movers. Hundreds, maybe thousands, to find a handful. And the other thing is that there's a skill in hiring. And so your skills with it are going to get better and better and better and better as you hire more people. And so in the beginning, you're not going to do that well. But then after your 50th hire, your 200th hire, your 500th hire, you're going to get more and more dialed on what are those little clues? What are the nuances? What are the little, tips that are going to tell you whether maybe somebody might be good or not long term.